Today, this is weather. I'm in Reykjavik. It belongs to Reykjavik here. And temperature is about 12 degrees and the wind is about 30 meters per second. And we have a beautiful lupin.